Hey guys, Jason with Wolf Overland. Airing down. So I've had everything from, I had the Deflate 2-hose system. I've had the Stein Airdown system. And recently we came across this AUTODUNK Airdown system, which is like the Stein one, but a little bit less money. So I've used this a couple times already, and definitely keeping it in my arsenal here. So this is what it looks like. I don't even focus on that. So it actually shows the PSI level desired on there, and you set it to whatever PSI you want, you lock it down, and it is pretty dang accurate. It just screws on to the tires here, and let's go around. So you can air down even while you're driving, because you can just screw these on and then just boom, take off down the road, and once they reach that PSI, they automatically close the valves. So boom, you just screw that on, good to go. Pop this off, you don't lose it, and then just screw these on. Put the link in the description below for these. I've tried them out a couple times. I really like them. They're pretty cheap compared to what the other products on the market, and they did send this to me for free. I did want it anyway, so we're gonna wait while these air down real quick. And you don't need to air down for this road. It's just gravel, so I'm just doing it for comfort and to kind of show how these things work. But they're real accurate, within 1 to 2 psi. Right now, I do have them set to 14, 15 psi, somewhere in there, which is typically what I do run on these trails. We'll air up on the way back. All right, so let's check our tire pressures. So they're all air down, and we're at 16, 15, and then 14, 14. So obviously that's, in between 1 to 2 psi. That's not even properly calibrated yet, because you got to drive it for those sensors to read correctly. As always, thanks for watching, and a special thank you to my Patreon supporters. If you like these types of videos, please consider hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're notified of new videos. And for the price of a cup of coffee, consider joining my Patreon. This gives you sneak peeks and invites to Patreon-only meetups. Thanks again.